Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your workplace charger in ChargePoint, full guide step by step clearly. To register your workplace charger in ChargePoint, start by visiting the ChargePoint website. Click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of the home page. Select the option for Workplace Charging from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in your email address and create a password to register. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Add a Charger section on your dashboard. Select the type of charger you are registering for your workplace. Input the serial number and model information of the charger. Provide details about your workplace location, including the address and contact information. Specify the charging station's operating hours and any access restrictions if necessary. Upload any relevant documentation requested during the registration process. Review all entered information for accuracy before proceeding. Once you've verified everything is correct, submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email once your charger is successfully registered. Monitor your ChargePoint account for further instructions or updates regarding your charger's status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.